2-in-1 handheld vacuum for hardwood floor, carpet and pet hair, 40-minute runtime, 21.6V battery with 2-speed control, features an extended runtime of 40 minutes, and conveniently stores on a wall mount, so it's always charged and ready to clean. Over 2x suction power. Brushless motor delivers 18 PA suction power in high mode at the hand vac for maximum performance on all surfaces, including hard floors, carpets, or upholstery. 50% more dust cup capacity. Extra large, easy to empty. 1L dust cup means you can cover more cleaning area with fewer interruptions. HEPA filtration captures 99.97% of dirt and debris down to 0.3 microns, less than 6 pounds. This 2-in-1 stick vac has a super lightweight design and is perfect for above floor cleaning or carrying up and down stairs. LED battery status meter. Colorful LED lights indicate battery and charge level, motor speed and more.